solving the demo version of PowerPoint 2013 for Cambridge IT test. Go to start screen, type demo, you will get the application here, right click, run as administrator, and you will get this screen. Type your name here, okay, or anything, just don't forget to type demo, which is the same spelling here, to log in. Choose, no, it's just demo. Click on PowerPoint Foundation, start the exam. Okay, this is the layout of the software, PowerPoint, and here you have the questions. First one, in the current presentation, insert a new slide with title and content layout after the first slide. So after the first slide, you will insert a new layout, title, and content. Next question, delete the slide titled training courses. Search on that slide titled training courses, it's slide 7, and delete it. Right click or just click on the delete button in the keyboard, then move to the next question. In the first slide, replace the title Abu Ghazala Consulting and Intellectual Property with the title Abu Ghazala Translation, Distribution and Publishing. So you will move to the first slide and you will delete this, type then translation, distribution, yes, and publishing. Exactly how it's written in the question. Capital letter, small letter, space, comma, dot, everything. Check your spelling before you move to the next question, because you cannot go back to the question. It will count it as mistake or error. Go to slide titled Why We Are Different and apply the bold format, italic, and the size 40. So we will go to the slide Why We Are Different, select the title, make it bold and italic, and change the size to 40. Sorry. If you have the 40 here, it's okay. If you don't have the number, just type it, like if it's 42. Move the next question, save the change you made to the presentation, then save the presentation as action plan in the folder C Cambridge. So first we will save it, okay, emphasis on that, أكد الموضوع, double save, then go to file, save as, choose the location C Cambridge, and type the file name action plan, save. In this way we finish the part 1, which is 5 questions. Now we move to next part, and the exam contain or include 3 parts. This is the first part, we finished it already, and now we will move to the second part.
3 parts, right?
Yes, it's 3 parts. Fine. Okay. In the current opened presentation titled Abu Ghazala Intellectual Property, move the numbered item beginning with registration trademark in the 3rd slide. So go to the 3rd slide. This is the numbered item. Move it. When we said move, it's mean cut. Control with X, or you can cut it using the mouse and paste it to the 2nd slide in the text box. So go to slide 2. This is the text box. You can zoom to see here is the text. You paste it. Once you paste something, you may get a new bolt list or new bolt item. So delete it and go back to the end of the item. Then next question. Change the slide orientation to landscape. How we change the orientation? From design, we go to the slide size, custom slide size. You will get here the orientation, change it to landscape. Okay, here you have a message. but he didn't mention if it's maximize or ensure fit. If there is no mention, so just click on ensure fit. Next, add slide number to the presentation. So go to the insert tab. Here you have insert a number, or you can insert from header and footer. This is insert number. Click on slide number. Also, he didn't mention if we should include the first slide or not, so leave this box without check. Apply to all, because he said the presentation, so it's mean all slides. Next, yeah, change the fourth slide layout to title slide. So go to the slide 4 and change the layout. How we change the layout? From home we have layout. Here choose title slide. Next, using PowerPoint show format. Using PowerPoint show format, save the presentation as intellectual property in the folder C Cambridge. So go to File, Save As, Cambridge, and type the new intellectual property. Okay, check the spelling for everything, then change the type, because he said PowerPoint show format, so change the format to PowerPoint show, PPSX, then save. This is the part 2. Move to the next part by clicking on next part. It may take some time. We will find out. Now, this is a presentation titled about the exam. Okay. First question, open the presentation, Cambridge International Center, located in C Cambridge. Some guys just hide this presentation and go to C having Cambridge and try to open it from here, but it will not be opened. Okay, so how we open this file? We go to File, then click Open, and here choose the location from Computer C Cambridge. Now here is the file or targeted file, Cambridge International Center. Now you have two presentations opened. This is the Cambridge International Center, and we will work on it until he asks us to move to the other presentation. So in the first slide, replace the text primary future plans with professional qualifications. So we'll delete this subtitle and type professional qualification. Okay, now if you notice, the professional word started with capital because it's automatically capitalized, but in the question it is in the small or lower case. So you need to go to the P here and type it as a small letter. Okay? If you keep it capital, it will count as a wrong answer. Be careful. Apply the theme Ion to all slides in the presentation. How we apply the theme? We go to Design, and here you choose this is the Ion theme. Next question. Move the text Cambridge International Diploma for Teacher and Trainees from the second slide to become a new numbered item in the text box in the third slide. So in the second slide here we have Cambridge Diploma in Cambridge International Diploma for Teacher and Trainees. We will cut it and delete this. Okay, then move to the third slide, click enter to have a new number item and paste it. If you get the sensor of the mouse down, delete and go back to the end of the sentence. تمسح وترجع إلى نهاية السطر. Next, insert the text relationship to be footer of the presentation. How we insert a footer? We go to insert, click on header and footer, active the footer by clicking on the box, check, and type the word relationship. Also, we will write it as it's written. The R is capital, and check the spelling for your typing. Always apply to all. It didn't mention if we exclude the title or not, so just keep it apply to all. Last question, select the presentation about the exam. The first one, it was opened already, okay. Then save it in Cambridge as Cambridge International Diploma in Business in the folder C Cambridge. How we get that file? We don't go like this by clicking on it. No, we go to view, because he said from the view tab. Okay, go to view. Here we have switch windows. You will have the two files opened in PowerPoint about the exam. Click on it, so you will move to the presentation titled about the exam. Then save this presentation in C Cambridge under the name Cambridge International Diploma in Business. Check your spelling. Hopefully we don't have any mistake. Save, and now you finished your demo exam for PowerPoint. Now
Start. PowerPoint foundation. Complete.
yes, you can start. This is the result 100. The passing mark, you need to pass the 80 to pass the demo or the CIT.